So we choose to start the usual way by adding meat to the pot. But we had one objective, and that was to make the most delicious and tasty okra soup. Cover it. And we had other things that could better the soup situation or situation. Any which one. Cover it. We had dried catfish. Whatever you do, anywhere you do it. You don't want to make Nigerian soup without dried catfish. It is a must. Alternatively, you can use any other type of dried fish. We call them mangala. Fish is fish. Uncover it. So let's see what happened to these guys after cooking for 5 minutes. Take it away. We had this, but we'll get to it later. Add oil to the pot. And we are back to the blender. And we should get ahead. This is just ground tomatoes, chili pepper, and onions. Fry it very well. Then add the pre-cooked meat. We have so much to add. Add the dried fish. Do you know why? We don't know why. All of these ingredients are supposed to cook and infuse that perfect taste into the soup. You know how you want your soup to taste really nice and really delicious. Cover it. But we've not seen anything yet. Uncover it. When the target is to make a delicious pot of soup, you must build the flavor from the scratch. So I added this fresh catfish because I wanted to take the soup from primary C straight to PhD. Cover it. Uncover it. We must retrieve the fish at this point. You don't want them broken when you start stirring stuff up and down. No one likes broken catfish. So what else are we supposed to do at this point? Let's add the prawns. Locally, we call this fresh okro. Add the sliced okra. This okra was sliced using just a kitchen knife. I'm very sure there are some food processors that could do a faster job. Add more okra. We're making a large pot of soup, so we need more than the usual because this is not the usual. But there are other things that take your soup from being the usual to the unusual. The color has to be perfect, and you don't get that from just palm oil. This is uziza leaves. If you've not tried it before, leave everything you are doing, go and buy uziza leaves. You need experiences to know what I'm talking about. Add back the fish. And that, of course, we herald the end of this cooking expedition. Okra soup is loved by several Nigerian homes and Nigerian food lovers. You can serve okra soup and eba or fufu or semo. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are just starting. Cover it.